G'day everyone, Tim from High Pressure Cleaning Gold Coast. Just sharing with you what we're up to this weekend. Got a massive project on. We're working through Saturday, Sunday, and obviously next weekend also. We're at Riviera Boat Builders here at Coomera, which is the largest boat builder in the Southern Hemisphere. They've got an international event coming up shortly, so we're assisting them in preparation, giving a bit of a clean. All the shed frontages through here, we're power washing them all down, getting off debris, bit of dust, etc. Moving right up through there. Obviously, to get this job done, you need commercial equipment. All of our equipment, we're powered by Pulse Power, just around the corner actually, to get this job done. Otherwise, without the right equipment, you're going to struggle. But stay tuned for some photos and updates and see how this job goes. As mentioned earlier, Riviera Australia are the largest luxury boat builders in the Southern Hemisphere, with this purpose-built, state-of-the-art 16.8 hectare site at Coomera, here on the Gold Coast. Scope of the works on this project involved the softwash cleaning of all shed frontages, 3 office and sales buildings and selected pathways. Our professional cleaning technicians and equipment were able to handle this job with ease. As always, we utilise commercial grade, low pressure, high flow machines, along with our specialty soaps and cleaning agents to wash away the mould, dirt and grime. During this project, we were focused on cleaning away the mould, cobwebs and dirt to ensure the structures are displayed at their very best. In only a few days, we were able to transform Riviera Australia site, completely restore the vibrancy to its exterior. Site manager, there's no job too large. Reach out to us for a free proposal. Contact details below.